where I take this fund from my another business to cater these needs in this company. We are into the food beverage business, which is mainly we are focusing on beverage cordials, of course tea and coffee. And for snacks, is our signature product is we based on Murukku. Hers is actually, I have another partner, my Malay partner, and we are lady bosses. So that is one of the reasons why, because we are women in the business, so we choose the name Hers to start up this company. Basically, we started with our R&D in our Kota Tinggi factory in Johor Bahru, and once we find the product is okay, and we start testing among the market on year end 2014. Right now, we are based in Kuala Lumpur. The challenges that I'm going through at the moment, and of course from the past, the main thing is of course the financial issue. For financial, yes, I do have another business where I take this fund from my another business to cater these needs in this company. So basically, I don't have any personal loans or no grants, nothing at the moment. I'm still surviving from my other business fund. Second thing is when I participated in the Expo, China ASEAN exhibition, which is one of the biggest expo in Nanning, China. It's our original Murukku we can't sell over there. You know, the Chinese are having different tastes. So for that, for R&D, of course, we have spent quite a lot to make sure we can cater the market accordingly. So for this year, second year when I went last month on September, we managed to secure the market and they liked our product, which is finally almost, I would say, about 99%. In year 2015, we find it a bit difficult to move on with the current situation where digital marketing was not in presence, especially in JB. We are still using the traditional way to deliver our products. I would say MDEC actually helped me indirectly, whereby they introduced me to Alibaba Street. All these things MDEC have guided me, and they pushed me to go to the Alibaba.com. And we start going cross-border to China, US, Laos, Maldives, and we managed to secure quite a number of orders. Especially from US, we managed to get about USD 40,000 order at the moment. And last year, September onwards, I started to present our company in Lazada and Shopee, which we already start selling our product and we start getting orders until at the moment. So we can see our company can expand to many countries globally. And I'm very sure that we can be the one of the top sellers in Alibaba. This is our future that we are focusing on. Keep going on your learning process. Do not stop. Age is a number only. You can learn anything at your age. So don't give up your business like when you are not doing well. When you go back to zero, most people like, oh, e-commerce is we can't do. It's not like that. You have to keep learning, keep preparing yourself, go to the future. What are the people need? What is your product needs? Everything you got to learn. So you don't give up, you can definitely success.